Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today we have an unboxing video, and we are unboxing the summer's FabFitFun box. Now, for those of you who do not know about FabFitFun box, it is a quarterly subscription of makeup, lifestyle, skincare, wellness, and even some fashion items. Now, the box is $49.99, but like I said, it is a quarterly subscription, so you get 4 boxes per year, and every box is worth over $200. Now, the box is customizable. If you do pay per box, you do get to customize some items, but if you do pay upfront for the year, you are able to customize even more of your box, so you are able to go ahead and curate a box that is more your style. But for what you guys are really here for is to see what I received in this summer edition box. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I received, then definitely make sure you keep on watching. But before we get started, go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family here. Make sure you definitely give this video a thumbs up as well. But without further ado, let's get into the box. So I've got the box opened up right here. It always comes with one of these little magazines right here. And this here definitely tells you everything that you have received in your box and all the other options that were available for this summer box, or for each box. As you can see here, these are a lot of the options that were available to customize this box. And this box value is worth anywhere between $225 and $477. So it really just depends on what it is that you decide to put in your box. So this little booklet shows you everything that you could possibly get in the box of what's available, what can be customized, what is available to all members. So they are lined up here through color. Right here, this shade right here is going to be everything that all members can go ahead and customize. So every person will get to customize this. Then we've got this next here, and this is for the ones that pay for the yearly subscriptions. So these are select members that get to customize their box even further. And then we have right over here, this is the FabFitFun box pick. So the person who puts your box together is going to go ahead and pick from these items to place into your box. All right, so let's definitely go ahead and take a look and see what I received. I am super excited. Definitely really love these boxes. First up here, we have this Bright Cellars Discover Wine You Love. I am very much into having a nice glass of wine to unwind at the end of the day, so this is definitely something I'm going to go ahead and look into. It is a $50 credit, so that's in there. Now, first thing I see here is this Hydro Peptide Moisture Reset. It is a facial oil. So this is the box right here. I'm very into skincare right now, and I love facial oil because I actually like to use my guasa stone, and you definitely want to go ahead and use it with an oil so it glides on your skin instead of actually really tugging at it and doing damage. So this is the bottle. This is so cute. So this is actually an item that everyone will get, and it says that it's made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. This blend nourishes the skin's lipid barrier, and this is actually retailed at $120. Next up, we have this Dr. Brandt DNA, so do not age, triple peptide eye cream. I actually really love Dr. Brandt products, and I have actually started to notice I just actually started to notice a couple of wrinkles around my eyes. So we definitely want to go ahead and try to put a stop, well, not necessarily a stop, but slow down that aging process. Now this says, diminishes dark circles and puffiness with this peptide powder cream. It's always really good to go ahead and keep your under eyes moisturized, because that's going to go ahead and keep them looking as young and slowing down the aging process. And this is actually valued the retail value of this is $82. Next up, I see this Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. So this is the box. Okay, and this is actually one that I was able to customize, although for some reason I don't remember picking this, but this is the bottle here. And this says, reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Okay, so this is really great. If you happen to have a sunburn, this will definitely go ahead and calm your skin down. And this retails for $42. Next up, I have this Tarocco, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, foot cream, Sicilian blood oranges. So that's this bottle right here. It says foot cream with menthol in Tarocco. A combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet. So now that the summer is here, although we are still somewhat in quarantine, you definitely want to make sure your feet are moisturized, although it's something you definitely want to do year round. But this is the season for sandals, so definitely want to take extra care. And this retails for $24. Next up, we have this Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. So this applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. So this is actually pretty neat. I don't want to take it out of the box right now because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it. I do put away items a lot to go ahead and do in future giveaways, so definitely make sure you are subscribed. You definitely don't want to miss out on those opportunities. But it does have a silicone top right here on this flat end, and the rest is supposed to be the sponge-like. So that is quite interesting, and this retails for $20. Next up, we have this Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. It's from Terra Mer. I know I did not pronounce that correctly whatsoever. This is actually one of the customizable options, and I do remember picking this one. I just don't know why I don't remember picking the other item. So this is the bottle here. And it says, reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. So I love toners. I feel like toners do wonders for my skin. It definitely does leave a smoother surface. So definitely want to go ahead and check out about putting a toner into your skincare routine. And if you guys are interested in my skincare routine, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will be more than happy to go ahead and do a skincare video for you guys. And this retails for $54. Okay, and last but not least, we have these sunglasses from Tom's. This one is actually another item that everybody will get, so perfect for the summer. You get some shades, and these are actually really cute. Yeah, I will definitely be wearing these out. When I'm gonna go out, where I'm gonna go out to, I don't know, but I do have them. They're cute and perfect for summer. And these retail for $58. So I am going to actually go ahead and tally up the total of all of the items that I have received in this summer's box, so you guys can actually see how much everything is worth versus what I actually paid for it. Okay, so wow, my box was worth $400 and I only paid $49.99. So that's freaking amazing. Like I said, definitely go ahead and check them out. It is only quarterly, and the amount of stuff and the amount that it is worth is definitely worth $49.99. So yeah, that is everything I received in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you would like to see next on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!